What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Guys, today we're here to celebrate because we have made it to the 5K mark for subscribers. I just want to take this time to thank you guys so much for supporting our channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting our journey. And if you never subscribe, we would reach. If you never watch the videos, we would be able to accomplish what we're accomplishing right now. So guys, thank you so much. Continue to share the videos, continue to like the videos, just continue to send the support our way, and we will definitely continue our best to deliver your requests. And even if any request it and we can give you something, that we are going to do. Guys, today the sun is hot. I'm not telling a lie. Zin, but nevertheless, we're here today at HELLSHIRE View. Why, guys, I don't really have much of an, I don't even know if I should call it an update, but it's an update. In the sense that I'm just here to let you guys know that I don't see any difference than the last time that we came here to give you guys a drone update. Nevertheless, I'm still going to show you guys so that you can see for yourselves. Many of you, some who I know personally, have already made your down payment. You've submitted your application and you're wondering what is happening on this side of Portmore, this side of St. Catherine, this side of Jamaica. And for those who are asking where HELLSHIRE View is, just outside of Greater Portmore along the HELLSHIRE Highway. Alright? So guys, I'm going to fly the drone right now and show you what's happening. But like I said, I've not seen any form of improvement. No additional work has been done. No new buildings have been erected from the ground. There's been no new foundations cast. You understand what I say? I don't know exactly what's happening on this side. I don't know why the work has stopped. I don't know what caused the pause or the delay. But this is what is happening here at the moment. So guys, I'm going to give it a shot right now. And I hope you guys enjoy this video just the same. I hope you guys continue to share. Remember to subscribe if you are not yet done so. Send this video to your friends. Send it to everybody where you know made their down payment for HELLSHIRE View and are wondering what is happening. Alright, so get this message across to everybody that you know looking in the housing market, because a lot of the times information like this that help us to make certain decisions, whether or not we go with a particular development or we go with a particular contractor or whatever the case might be. So share out the video, guys, and let's enjoy this view. Catch you guys on the other side of this video. Yes guys, so the sun is really hot. I have to come catch a little shade. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you are not too disappointed. I am kind of disappointed because I'm expecting more from this development in terms of time and everything. But like I said, we don't know the reason just yet that is causing the delay. So we'll continue to monitor the progress of this development, and we'll continue to give you guys the updates as they become available. So here what? Best thing we do at this point, watch toward the ads. Share up the videos. Like the videos. Leave a comment down below. And remember, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe, because here we want to double this 5K into 10. We're not talking about the 6 and the 7 and the 8. Guys, we're going now on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I know we can do it. Should I set a timeline? Should I set a... Somebody leave in the comment down below. Extend your faith and tell me how long you think it is going to take us to get to 10,000 subscribers. But we love you guys always. Thank you for the support. Continue on this journey, and remember that with Chris Sams, the journey continues. Share the love, share the videos, and we will catch you in another update. All right, so see you guys later. Bye.